Hi, my name is Kaz, and I'm here to show you a new project I've been working on, which essentially brings LiDAR readings into virtual reality. So what I have here is a LiDAR sensor strapped to a tracking device. So that's iPhone 12 Pro and an Oculus Quest 2 remote. So what this little black dot here does is send beams of light out that reflect off an object and bounce back, and when they do, it returns a color and a distance. So those two things combined give you a dot in space that you collect enough of them, you can create 3D images. So this is then being fed back into Oculus Quest headset and rendering all that in virtual reality. So basically, lets you map your world into VR. So now I can start and use my phone as a sort of torch into the actual room. So what I'm doing now is kind of basically creating a 3D model of my actual apartment, which is a mess. Well, the problem is I can't lean my controller down at all, or the phone will kind of fall off, basically. That's kind of what you keep seeing there. Yeah, there it is. Okay. And there we go. About 4. A bit more of that ceiling. Nice. And I could throw a couple extra spots down. Maybe I'll decrease the pixel size, kind of overlap them there, just to get a higher resolution result, a little bit more clarity by just overlapping some of the captures. Maybe get this chair. Let's sit again. There it is. There you go. That's kind of nice. So I've gone and created a nice 3D model of the room. I can even kind of throw in duplicates in my own hand. You can see that 3D model kind of hovers right where I copied and pasted it. And I can erase everything, or start from scratch. I have a nice color by number sort of palette for my environment. The bigger I make the particles, lost my headset tracking again. Lost track. Anyway, the bigger I make the particles, the easier it is to see, and basically end up with a pretty cool little cave explorer in your own home. Some upgrades I could probably do is make the sensor wirelessly transmit the data. Also, I could send over positional data from the iPhone itself, which would eliminate the need for controllers entirely. So out of just a phone walking around with the headset, quickly scanning the room that way. And I could also add maybe some surprises, like creepy monster things that pop up when you scan, even though they're not actually in your room, obviously, and make it actually kind of a game as opposed to a relaxing experience. Is probably what I'd put it at right now. So, a lot of potential improvements, fun little project. Hope you liked it.